Hi guys! I feel like it's been forever since I have filmed. I did get a new planner. I got the Erin Condren. I think it was like the Focus collection. I do want to admit that I didn't even it didn't even cross my mind that there could be different sizes for kids. So just work with me here. I'm trying to get back into things, and I'm gonna have to order a whole bunch of kits because I did try to plan with one and it was just not working out. Like I had to white out a bunch of the lines because they don't fit. So today the one I'm going to use is from Paperchicplans and it's the February one. Okay, a lot of disclaimers here, a lot of stuff. So this is a super old kit that I found. Like I said, I have to order new kits for these. So I'm using one from 2018. How embarrassing. I totally forgot I had this one. But another thing, so my husband is actually in the living room watching TV and I'm in here planning and my baby's in the back. She's watching Monsters Inc. So if you could hear noise, I apologize. But, you know, there's like no other time that I could like film and do all this. So I just have to kind of work with what I can get, right? Okay, so sorry if I'm a little crooked to figure out this space. But yeah, so I'm gonna do the February one again. This is an old one. I'm gonna try to fix it with maybe some stickers to cover the 18. Hopefully, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna fit because like I said, this is like different sizes, but hopefully it does fit and then we'll be good to go. Okay, but yeah, so let's see how this is gonna work out. Again, this is from Paperchicplans. Ooh, I like that this is like a whole one. Yeah, see, it's not gonna fit at all. Let's see how we can make this work. But yeah, I feel like I've been gone for like the longest time, you know. I think the last time that I filmed, I was telling you guys that I had just gotten a job working for like a gym daycare. And a lot has happened since then. I actually got a promotion. And oh, see, it's not working out. Okay, we're just gonna have to stick this on. I actually got a promotion, like the, alright, give me one sec, guys. Super, like, not okay, but whatever. We're gonna have to make it work. Oh, it's not that cute already. Darn it. Okay. Like I was saying, I got a promotion, like, literally 3 months after I started, and I became the supervisor there. Can you guys believe that? I became a supervisor and it just took over my entire life. I also ended up getting pregnant with my baby that's like back here with me. I'm putting down the date dots. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this first, but so that's Saturday. You could tell this is so crooked. Alright. But what did I say? Yeah, so I got a promotion, right? And I ended up becoming like the supervisor, and I also got pregnant, which was like amazing. And I had a baby, another baby, because I think I had told you guys that, whoops, that I had one daughter and her name was Rosie. And so I had another baby in June of last year. And her name is Riley. Hopefully you guys can see how that's not cute. But yeah, so I had another baby, and I was at the daycare that I was at for about like almost 3 years, and then I left there to go to a different like job, and I was an actual like preschool or toddler teacher, and they had like an infant center and a preschool and a toddler, which is what I was. And that one was like great. My boss wasn't like the best, but you know, it was okay. And then Riley got sick. My new baby got sick in December, and she was actually hospitalized for about a week. And during that week, I lost my job. And I haven't been able to find anything that would like work with my schedule, my husband's schedule, because my husband still is in school. He goes to college right now, and you know, it just doesn't work. I'm in charge of the kids and the house and everything, and I just couldn't find another job that worked with that schedule. But let me put on these date dots real quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all the date dots on there. Now, let me see. So I'm going to put those on the side. So on the 1st, I do, let me see. There's no birthdays in February. I have some bill dues. On the 9th, let me see, where's the 9th? I have some bill dues here on the 9th. Okay, that's crooked, of course. Okay, I have a bill due on the 18th. Maybe, should I put them towards the bottom? That's the way that looks on the bottom. I do want to know though, what are some good shops for this size book? And then I also have like another one, let's see, on the 4th. We have a payday on the 7th. And then one on the 22nd. Where's that? But since on a weekend, it'll happen on this day. Kind of sad that I don't have paydays anymore. Not really. But yeah, so sorry, I'm all over the place, guys. But yeah, so I haven't been able to find a job that works with my schedule, so I'm back as a stay-at-home mom. I'm trying to make this whole thing work. Like I really do like planning and doing all this, but like I don't know. I feel like my work was like preventing me from doing all this, and I really want to like get back into it. You know what I mean? So we have 2 things. So I want to take the girls to the zoo on the 1st because they have a zoo thing, and then I also have like a leader meeting. So Rosie is in Girl Scouts. She like absolutely loves Girl Scouts, and their troop was gonna like break apart because the main troop leader couldn't commit to do it anymore. So Rosie was really sad, and I was like, okay, I need to I'm just gonna do this. Like I volunteered as a troop leader, and so now I am a troop leader. Is that crazy or what? So I have meetings for Girl Scouts a lot. If you guys do know, oh, bless you, baby. If you guys do know of any shops that make cute Girl Scout stuff, let me know. But the girls have a dentist appointment on that day. What else? I think I'm gonna use this coffee one for our meeting because we're gonna meet at a coffee shop. Oops, sorry guys. We're gonna meet at a coffee shop, so I think that would be cute there. The 4th I have a bill. payday. On the 7th, it's also thinking day for Girl Scouts. So she'll be at that thinking day. And they're having an event. Again, I have to be there because we're leading one of the games. So I'll be there. I have Bill doing the 9th. Oh, Riley has an event too, or she has like a little play date on the 11th. Let me see, she has, I'll do a little heart. And then she has like a baby class on the 12th too. Riley's just busy too. Just like a cute little baby class. I don't know, I guess I'll just put like this little star there. My little brother has a parent-teacher conference that I'll probably end up going to. My parents speak Spanish, so I translate for them. And I'm pretty much at like every meeting, so I'll plan on that. Let me see, is there anything school related? There is nothing school related. Should I put laptop? Maybe I'll put a laptop so that I can remember it's school related. Okay. Valentine's Day is on the 14th. Do they have anything for Valentine's? Oh, yep, they do. This is such cute, like, deco, by the way. Look at that, how cute. Okay. Valentine's Day. I'm not sure what my husband and I have planned for Valentine's Day yet, so we'll figure that out. On the 17th is President's Day, so Rosie will not have school. No school that day. Is there anything? I don't see anything. Here, maybe I'll put this cute little flower for no school. No school. Oh, Rosie is going snowshoeing on this day right here on the 22nd, and she's going with her Girl Scouts. So that's pretty fun. Oh, and then the 24th is such a big event for us. It's Rosie's ever first haircut ever in her life. And what's so special about this day is that she's going to donate her hair. So she's really excited about that. And then I have another Girl Scout meeting on this day. Okay. I like these full boxes. I think maybe the 29th. Okay, like I said, these boxes are too big for these. Does that look weird? If I put it up here, maybe. Put it over here. Okay. Now let's see what I have left. I'll put the deco down later, but I do wanna. My husband and I are on like this really big like plan because we're done with letting the new year just passes by, you know. So we're really trying to like plan for stuff and be on a schedule for the girls. So that has really like been like a big deal for us this month. Is like just pretty much trying to oops, sorry guys. Pretty much trying to get our schedules down and just have a better year. Okay, guys, a lot of it might seem crooked. Sorry. Okay, that looks super weird. Sorry. Okay, well, so this is the end of this plan. Monthly plan with me. I know it didn't come out super well. I am honestly on a budget. I cannot just like afford to buy a whole bunch of new kits for this planner, so that was my mistake. But I really hope you guys do enjoy it. If you do watch my other plan with me, so you're gonna see a lot of whiteout and a lot of kits that don't fit. But please bear with me. I'm trying to plan and deal with this little baby over here. Don't peel them off, please. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you'd enjoyed. Sorry about my craziness. And I'll hopefully see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Oh, please don't climb on. Run. Run. My table. Say hello, my little fingers. Hi. Okay, come on. Thank you. Go sit down, please. Riley, please. Go sit down. Hat. Yes, I know. I see it. Do you see it? Do you see it? Thank you. But yeah. Okay. I'll put it closer to the end. No. Hey, why are you taking off stuff? You took off my 19. Riley, please.